Chemo kwa Badwam TV Badwam Jumadi so yada se emrani adaje odemaye bribia na no penso adefa fefa chie ya wafidie ne Adom TV de didi kan ye Adom TV Badwam kase ensam no doso ne etodwa wo mu bi ya wo beti ni achechefo won motu ate a wo mote ye na aban so won wo mu di nkomo nti wo mu ja ye no ene de ese boboba fi se ni aban no kan ye no nye no no wo ye de ho nsam ni nchemu no ebeba abemu akuma ya wosua de wososo nade no ni ade wonam na adwuma so ene wato na nanom nsie do sawe hosemi ni nsembi na no pay mede bro Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV channel 119 DSTV channel 280 wo YouTube wo search Adom TV 2 ubenya ye wo ho no pay mi amesom mo medin de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT said ensam ni chemo ankasa etie achachefo enkabom ko ahodo tietua na enu ntemu ni nyina ne se condition of service ene won sika bi aban no fama wo mo ti aban ene wo mu di nkomo se won mo enyai na wo mo ye nhehye de ama wo mo se bi ene ameka sei na sa nhehye no ebekoso de ametumi hunu fi se wo mu chocho ni de Ghana National Association of Teachers ye ura Thomas Musa echire mu se aban no chochene na se kura de wo mo kan ye ntimi wo ja atuate no enya de se wo di so nti Adom TV kase enya nkrata ne bia yetwaso
in bad faith good faith ne say wa frame say yambra table no back adenti na ye call strike me enti ye call strike ne say ye ke bibia wuntie ye say brama yensie konwa oma subaina wudan na di e ma ye di call strike no and no be no must starting. And so we can all predict where the things are going. And your mom yeah this strike action about him. And no be when I must starting. And no be and I must start. So whatever happens, they should blame themselves.
It's all kinds of whatever happens, and I just
yes.
I said,
Me say whatever happens, they should blame themselves. Government team, you know, emphasis born on bomb. And the only year, Eddie assembly by you know, almost as I see you. And ya di omunim, omutu omunim say,
abemu akuma ya wonye mfie no a wosua adwuma se welder ni din ede felix ayete ene wato na nanom nsie do wo na adwuma mu ewo akwadum ewo koforudua no so hu kwantempon no so Adom TV etwaso
onipa wedi 20 years a ni din ene felix ayete kanea ache no ewo welding shop bi ewo akwadum eye koforudua sum ekwan ni so kanea no eche abrantie no abra no de efidie no eye adwuma abra National Disaster and Management Organization eye NADMO enya ne ntie se BBC esi na womo ne Ghana Police Service a womo wo akwadum police station etumrika ekopie mu ewo bibi asem no esiye no womo koduru ho no ana beto dwa se abrantie atwa nananom ewo nsiedo yenemo kasei womo de nimu no akoto St Joseph womo mortuary ewo New Duabin North Deputy Director Emma Nadmo ewo New Duabin North Daniel Kankam Chumesi ene Adom News in Central for etwetwe ho nkomo no wode nsem sei na tudwa
kodum hine efie ni nchen welding shop bi ewo ho ewo na branch na esua ne welding work no na anopay machine odi adwuma no kanea na afa nimu ama wa hwene nkwa ti nya call no na wo say yetu ameka na ye ho ti yedu ho no na say akodum police officers for no o maye adwuma no o ma abasin ho aba be assess situation no at the body no efi sin ho de aba St Joseph mortuary entino yenso ye follow up echo mortuary ho if you want to sanko efijase police station echo hu police commander any police commander edin komo na say abante no ene sorry ano pase okwa adwuma na akope bibi e de abafie ene
Adom TV Badwam kase na oguso ehwe no na Electricity Company of Ghana so akotwa kejetia market no ewo kumase no akotwa won kane mu nti won da sumu nyina ne se wode won ka 6 million Ghana cedi. Adom TV etwaso
kejetia ejai so the electricity ka over 6 million Ghana cedis ejai free se be mu nyina yenyina ye use meter baako eti bosumi bia so light bill na eba no the last one eba ya ebi na ebien eba 814,000 Ghana cedis. That is over 8 billion Ghana cedis. But you realize that 19 months out bia no bill na eba na so and eba so na say management no so cheme dwadi na enye onyina na tua ne prekope enunti ena amana kwa akobasa
Nana Opoku Amankwa ena ye operations manager ewo Kumasi kejetia edwanu mu woni Adom kase kasa
sisi a generator na use no we are only giving the market power because without light dwedini ntini ye adwuma wanya adwuma so onye sika na odi ametua oka management so kwa ntimi operate this generator na ye use no it's for us to be able to recover money so that we will be able to pay arrangement the person is before you. And then going forward, this situation will not happen again unless a general problem.
Mpanifo chem se enkosi se ekadebo no ebetimi afiri ho no ombegusuwa de generator no ama edwano
Mensi Crouch Penny ya won kwanta south eye otimantemu de ato ye nuanu asabi won wedi dem ewo brabo mu se kwan bi ebeba wo mo akwan mu bia bibi ebeba bia won so mu ye no onye ne ye na na me no so wontumi eni ye na enyi dodo no aya egina kwan ho esra de nom ne ade so efri ho de ombenya bia won so mu ye no nkra wo ye na mo awo oni Adom kase etwaso
mamfo ayewo enkwantaman mu ye hwe ya no kase ye wa bra ye ne enwan ma sabi o ma didem edin kita ho ebi ne se odi edim bi asebio emfata ene beto unua so just for the simple reason say ebia odi dem ewo ne honam baby na ene da yesia yi ye ma kwa mpese yese no so say enkwanta South Municipal Assembly eye disbursement ya ye eko ama enipa adioson emiresa
enwachi Hajia Sherifa Secretary Jani ya wono enkwanta South MPP amanyoko ni parliamentary candidate enso so KDP so say
mo amese nyina mea meba be pay mo visit personal dates ma ba be hwe moduma no senia musiye ye be koso ade mo bia nia no edi ata mini abema MC eni direct
NDC amanyoko no se wo mu hia no ye free electoral commission ho nsemfo aduasa enum bi a wobusa won mo efa biometric voter device na ayira no na afi biometric voter registration kit no ho wontwetwe ni fifi kwete na wogina partner na emu ne nsentwofo edi nkomoyi.
The recent theft of critical biometric equipment under the supposed secure watch of the Electoral Commission is not just an alarming oversight. It is a clear and present danger to our electoral integrity. This is not a trivial matter of misplaced property. It is a dire warning that our electoral safeguards are being compromised under our very noses.
Osan di tudwa se NDC amanyoko no ehwe nim sa bato no emu beda ho enu nti no wo ehwe nim se nhwehwemu bekoso ewo mfidi ayire.
This investigation, as we said, must be conducted by an independent body, supplemented with international observers to ensure neutrality and thoroughness. 3, furthermore, we call for the complete audit of the EC's inventory and security measures. This audit should encompass all BVR and BVD equipment and must be carried out by an independent auditor.
Osan edi tudwa se aban no edi nhye egu akwam a wono ankasa edi na manyofo bi akɔhye independent institutions ahodo bi mu se yehwe eye judiciary ene electoral commissioner.
But we are confident about one thing: they will fail. The government has taken deliberate strategic steps towards the ignominious goal of winning elections at all costs by ensuring institutional decay in our dear country. They have appointed rabidly partisan and biased members of the NPP to independent
NDC Amanyoko Franka Tuni John Dramani Mahama de nanonso atumubi efa gambaga which is campono se one more ebesesemu ayeni ye kra na yayi one more ade free honomo na proba wobo eno de sansemi etuja.
Parliament has passed the anti-witchcraft bill and it is awaiting the signature of the president, and if the president signs it, she will involve herself in how to rehabilitate the women back in their communities where they come from. And so she said I should extend her regards to her father, the Gambaga Rana.
And so, what can you edit? Who say so? By moi, at the back west Southern Akuma Sopano, a young bambo in sem, the senti, Mantama for free, what you my gun a mono, beshe, some bambo semo honomonino, a bit to me, Janabrane.
All the 6 new regions are going to have a military barracks so that the Ghana army will be present in all the regions. In addition, we're going to form joint military and police anti-armed robbery squads. And one of those squads will be here in the northeast to fight armed robbery. Because we want you to have peace and security to be able to go about your duties. We know that our 24
Principal wada ye Jinesen na Midwifery Training College wo Pro East Mensimu wobuno East Mantamu ese ne womo ehia kadea pa na etimi aboa amantiti a wode ma nurse for the midwives and also etimi agina ne naiso.
The land that has been acquired for us, that is this where we are now, named Old Site, have a lot of space which has been actually designed or captured and then laid down plans for the building. So hostel buildings over like 500 capacity times 2 or times 3. You can get space on this compound when we get people to help us.
Mrashebe Jenio wo Pro East empatem Dr. Kwabena Donko enso ede futuo ema sukufuo no.
A school such as this also comes with empowerment. We are empowering our young ladies to go out to the world and affect the world. If you affect childbirth, you are affecting the world. It is important to know that infant mortality in Ghana and stillbirths have reduced but are still at a high rate compared to the global average.
Mayanto Akasiano so churchuni the Teachers and Educational Workers Union ne Oramak Denchra Crunch edito mabunu ni nyina anim se enwumasuamu sakraya mpanifo ye wonfo honyimu pa ne ntimemu a Adom TV etwaso
ye wo chefa a sese ye e wo za nwumasua no emu na se ye betumi ayeye famu de anu yi a na ehu behia se yenso ye benya nimde kese yenso ye be koyin anim e wo ye adesua mu na aboa sebe ya se ye ka bibi efa nwumasua ho a na yenso ye wo hu nimde a ye ka entina ye to obroni be ka se challenge ade ama emebu no se ensasa ye tena faako ensasa ye yese sebio ye de ye nka ho na mom ye nyina de ahoɔden ebɛhyem.
National Youth Chairman Emma Tewu Isaac enso editor mampani anim se wonhwɛ se wɔbɛfa ɛyɛ emabunu dodo a wɔn enya adwuma ɛwɔ man mu ha no se ne nneɛma basa a wɔn de wɔn hyem no wɔn atwe wɔn ho efrim
ye basa ban su bio se ne also yi a ombobo youth ni dia omboa na youth because most of the youth in unemployment in ya and say unemployment will be so na ko bebre a ono so na ode criminal activities ni niamaniama economy ba we be nkofo bebre ye adwuma de onko nka fa bia de anaso onko bopo na ebi waka sɛ wɔbɔboro no a na wɔbɛkye no nti yɛsrɛ aban de ɔmboa
Pamina no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na bɛma kwan na no pɛ yɛde asie aseda ne yɛwo de awurade mfa nkromra somdwem na mmom wobɛkɔ so anso ne yɛn ayɛ adwuma fisi yɛtwe ho bɛɛ sima mienu miɛnsen aba na de bonkrata no online stories no so ɔmanhene kwabna sante ayɛ krado ne yɛde atoa so nti twɛn yɛn nkɔ baabi a yɛba